Right, just a little repair video tonight. I've been using this old Hayabusa behind me there through the winter. Since I bought it, as a project anyway, found a few little problems. Somebody's cross-threaded the old sump drain plug. So while I was getting to that, to get the sump off, I just found this, so I thought I'd start a little video maybe with fixing this. It's clearly been apart before, and somebody quite a while ago has snapped off a bolt that holds, I can't remember if it's the radiator or the oil cooler or both. Anyway, the bolt snapped off and it's still in there, so I'm going to try and show a little video of getting that out while saving the captive nut. If I can't get it out without saving the captive nut, then I'll cut the nut out and I'll make it a video of welding a new nut in. In the meantime, I'll just show you where I'm up to with the bike. As you can see there, I've just pulled the exhaust off. That was when I found this bolt. The system that's on it's a Yoshimura full sort of race pipe system. Pretty good apparently, but I don't know. I just ride it. I didn't see I'm draining the oil out of there to fix the twisted up sump plug, and that bracket that I was just showing you, that goes in there. I don't know if you can see there's two little lugs between the oil pipes or the gas recirculation pipes. Those two little lugs, it just screws on there, and then that little grommet in the middle, that screws onto it. So it's been in the weather. It's probably had 20 years of crap going on it. So we'll just go back inside and we'll try and fix it. The bike's actually pretty good. It was laid up for a long time, but it's got a load of goodies on it. Aftermarket seats. It's got some aftermarket wheels on there. Aftermarket discs. Harris front mudguard. It's got a bit of Ohlins going on in the suspension and some Harris rear sets there. It's pretty cool bike. It'll do me. So I bought it as a project, a non-runner. It's been laid up in a garden for a while. Well, yeah, we'll have a little go at saving it. Maybe be either a race bike or go to work bike. Pretty cool go to work bike. But I'll just set this up and then I'll see if we can save that bracket there on the bench. Okay, back on my fridge now with the couple of bits I need. Goggles obviously for that fella there from penetrating spray. Got a fire maker thing there, and this rusty bracket. Now I don't know if you can see that, but the threads are pretty crusty on the end there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them off, because there's no point in winding those crusty threads through if I'm going to save the nut that's in there. Then this bit of I don't know, pillar bolt, if you like. I'm going to grind a couple of flats on that, so I'll grip it in my big spanner here and see if I can use the bracket to wind it off while putting a little bit of fire onto it and a little bit of the old, see if we can get it moving. Right, keep him down there out of the way, and I'll cut this thing off. Now with this thing, obviously I've got absolutely nothing to lose, because I've got a welder over there, and I've got, yeah, I think I can see a big stack of 6mm nuts up there. So if I have to, I can cut it off and redo it. First of all, we'll just burn it a little bit. Fire's more fun. way, but never mind. Bring that fella closer. That is broken. Ah, no, that's a nut. That's a nut. Okay, that's interesting. So we got the nut off. Nice. I've never seen the head of this, so I did not know that was a nut. Okay. So now we need to get that guy. That's a stud screwed into that, so it must have had a nut on and a stud, so that you've got two chances of releasing it. But in this case, neither of these worked, so we'll just go with this again. Maybe I'll weld a nut to that. Try it that way. After the heat of welding, I'll get it. I'll just go and get a wire brush, clean that up a bit, and then we'll tack like an M8 nut over the top of that. There's a little M8 stainless nut there. Get a whizzer again. Just weld it right in there. Welding towards primed, set. That's there. You want to see, Bob? Okay, so put this guy down here for now. Let me little whizzer. Just want to I just want to clean this this stud up. Drop that fella on there. Right, this is down there. Look for them glasses. Well done. Let me take those. I know they don't have to look far for a bit of welding rod. There's only a little bit of things that fell off the bench on the floor. I'll use that. Page line. Give it a little round. Not that was that way, just don't really fancy marking on my nuts. That being red hot like that, that'll probably free it off on its own. I reckon I can put that away. You see by all the sparks coming out then, all the rust on the stud that I didn't get off, but doesn't matter for this. We're not looking for a show winning stack of downs well. Well, that's still well spicy. That's good sound. That's good sound. Right, I'll classify that as saved. Far simpler than I thought in the end, as the little fella say. I only had to wind that many threads up because I shortened it before. And scrap anyway, so that's still scrap now. But the good thing is, I'll put you back there because we're not going to be using any fire anymore or anything like that. The good thing is it's still stock, and before I started, not realising it was a nut, inadvertently I actually found one of these nuts. I've had loads of Suzuki's, so I've got boxes of nuts and bolts I've just chucked to one side. Use that one day. Anyway, we'll use that one day because I think I've actually found the right one. So it had a stud in it to start with. A stud and that nut thing. Now we've got that stuck in there, we'll go on there. Just get a 10mm spanner and get that out. And then I'll run a tap through that fella before I put stainless anywhere near something that hot. Oh yeah, that's yeah, I was mad to try and put that bolt in then. That's full of bits of screw. That's okay, that's saved. That's quite cool, that. Right, so we can have that guy in there. This is a stainless bolt. So to make it more better, I think what I'll do measure how long the thread goes in there and chop it off. another idea. Make that into a bowl. So we're not messing around with an Allen head anymore. Just weld that to it. Okay, as you can see, I've swapped out the fridge for the motorbike this time. I was about to try and dream up some real complicated way of fixing a really simple bracket, but you're just in danger of getting carried away. I always do. Never mind. Anyway, fast forward a little bit. I'll just show you. In there, I've fitted the bracket back on as that fella there. You can see the new screw in there. Basically what I did was I just put an Allen screw through the old Suzuki pillow nut thing, and that'll then go through that rubber when I put it back on. We're still in the process of draining the oil. I'll get the sump off. I might do a video on the repair on that. If it looks like I can put an insert in it or something like that, chances are I'm just going to contact the guys down at the racetrack and see who's got a sump off one of their smashed a bit engines. So see if I can get a sump cheap and just switch it out for one with a decent threading, and put it back together with proper lock washer and a new bolt. But that's for the future job. Anyway, for today, that's it on the old Hayabusa. No doubt there's going to be more repairs to be done on this yet. I've ridden it a bit, but I still haven't got through all the little problems with it being parked up so long. But it's got all the makings of being a good bike. I don't know if I'm going to keep all the fancy extras or whatever. They may come off and I'll put it back to standard. Got a bit of a dint in the tank there to fix. That could be worth a video. But for now, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all well. See you on the next one. I'll think of something else to do soon. Cheers, guys.